I think they're crazy because they have 4 boys and they went across the United States and now they're living in the RV on their property. Hi everybody, it's Randy from Jacob's Triangle. Welcome to the channel. Well tonight, I'm just kind of doing the dad thing. Just fixing up some flat tires on the boys' bikes. Kind of brings me to the subject I want to talk about tonight. I'm not doing anything on the property tonight. Actually, there hasn't been anything happening at the house. I do need to do an update on the garden probably because it's been a while since I've done a garden update. But on my title it says the Hollar Homestead alerted me. What I'm talking about is they are a family. They are a family that is doing a vlog about finding their homestead, and they do their vlog along with their children. I was watching their vlog the other night and they said that they got a notification from YouTube that they're going to, or that they may shut off commenting on their videos, and if they turn the commenting back on they can completely shut down their channel. So they're opting that if their commenting gets shut off that they're just not going to turn it back on again because they want to keep the channel, which makes perfect sense. But it's, I do videos myself with my kids in it, and it kind of bothers me that basically I was taking it that YouTube's saying if you have videos with your kids in it, come on out of there. If you do videos with your kids in it, that YouTube may shut off your commenting or they may shut down your channel. So I did some research today. And I found that what it is YouTube is trying to protect kids, which makes sense, makes perfect sense, And I guess there are certain channels that have explicit or they get comments that are not appropriate for channels that have children in them. I'll just leave it at that. They didn't really go beyond that to explain what it is. Just that's could potentially be harmful to children or a threat to children. And comments that are like that, they're holding the YouTube creator responsible for handling that, which is what the Hollars got their message about is. I guess YouTube thinks that they have some comments that they needed to handle. And I was reading about it, and what it says is that you have to go beyond the admin tools or the moderation tools that YouTube provides. Now, I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to go beyond the moderation tools that YouTube provides. So, I don't know what it is. Suggestions that they had is that videos that have children in it, that maybe you should hold comments and approve them before they're posted. So maybe that's what they're talking about, and if they do get inappropriate comments, you're supposed to report the person that's making the inappropriate comments, perhaps? I don't know. But it sounds like there are ways that I can work around it and still do videos with the boys in it. So I'll continue to do that. And hopefully I won't ever get one of those notices. And if I do, then I'll just have to figure out what to do from then. Being a small channel, perhaps since I have the boys in some and a very few comments, that YouTube's just not looking at me now. I hope that's going to always be the case. So that's pretty much what I got to say today. like I said, over on the property, not much is going on right now. My house update is going to be pretty slim because the foundation crew hasn't been there all week. So nothing's happened with the house, which is really disappointing to me because I got really excited that things were finally happening and had a glitch, got it fixed, and now just crickets. So that's my entry for this week. I'll still go ahead and post a house update video just so it's there, but it is what it is. So the Hollar Homestead that I mentioned, it is a good channel. It's something that I like to watch. You may like to watch it too. So go to their channel and take a look at it. Subscribe to it if you like it. I'm sure that they would appreciate the extra subscribers, and they're just, you know, they're fun to watch. I think that they're a little bit crazy because, like I said, you know, well, I didn't say, but they sold everything that they had here in California, bought a travel trailer, and took off across the United States looking for their homestead, and they finally found it in North Carolina. I think they're crazy because they have 4 boys, and they went across the United States, and now they're living in the RV on their property because the mobile home that's on their property needs to be renovated before it is habitable. So they're fun to watch. So go take a look at them. And as usual, for my videos, please subscribe. Hit the notify button down there so that you get notified. It's the bell. Hit the bell down there so you get notified when I post new videos. Like this video, go ahead and leave me comments. I like comments. So thank you for joining me today. See you next time.